Good morning. Today we will see data wrangling in Python. You know what is the wrangling? I have already explained in previous lecture. Data wrangling is the process of gathering, collecting and transforming raw data into another format for better understanding, decision making, accessing and analysis in less time. It is also known as data munging. Wrangling is known as also munging, data munging. Data wrangling is very important step to pre-process, to data analyze and pre-process the data. Data wrangling is a crucial topic for data science and data analysis. Pandas framework of Python is used for data wrangling. Pandas is an open source library specifically developed for data analysis and data science. Data wrangling in Python deals with below functionalities like data exploration. Data exploration means in this process the data is studied, analyzed and understood by visualizing representations of data. It is also called exploratory data analysis. Dealing with missing values. Most of the data sets having a vast amount of data contain missing values of NaN. Missing values, it default stores NaN. They are needed to be taken care of by replacing them with mean, mode, the most frequent value of the column, or simply by dropping the row by having a NaN value. Means we have to identify missing value. It is replaced by mean, mode or most frequent value of the column, or simply by dropping the row having a NaN value. Reshaping data. In this process, data is manipulated according to the requirements, where new data can be added or pre-existing data can be modified. Means after inserting, it increases the data, reshaping the data, and deleting it removes data and decreases data. That is, number of columns or rows are decreased and increased. That is reshaping of data. Filtering data. Sometimes data sets are comprised of unwanted rows or columns which are required to be removed or filtered. After dealing with the raw data set with the above functionalities, we get efficient data set as per our requirements. All the operations we have performed on the data, then we have efficient data sets. We get efficient data set as per our requirement, and that then it can be used for required purpose like data analyzing, machine learning, data visualization, model training, etc. Data exploration, we have to assign the data and then visualize data in the tabular format. See the output of this program. First we have to go for Google and Colab research. It is a efficient way to do the Colab, to do the data science lab without any installation. It is ready environment provided by Google. Here you can paste this code. Here we have to import pandas as PD. Assign data. Data is equal to name, age, gender, marks. 4 columns are there, and then convert into data frame. These are the arrays. PD.data frame, it will create a data frame and display data. It is easy. Execute that data. it will create data frame. You can create any data frame using your data. It will create name, age, gender, marks. It will create a data. These data have two missing values. Gaurav marks are not displayed here, and Natasha marks are missing value. Therefore, dealing with missing, how to deal with missing values? We have to replace the column mean of marks. See, this is one of the way to dealing with here. Two variables are there. C count average is equal to 0. DF marks, element in DF marks, if string of element is numeric. We have to check marks column. If it is numeric, C count is equal to count plus 1 and average is equal to we have to take the sum, addition of one element to another element. Then average is equal to average slash C means it takes the average of this column. Then replacing missing values is equal to df dot replace. To replace NaN value ABG. First we have to get this missing value and then replace by ABG. Then again you have to display data. It will give output name, age, gender, marks. 75.2 and 75.2, two missing values are there. Now all the column and cells have values. It is not in this data set, no missing value is there. We have to replace missing value by average. Then reshaping the data. In the gender column, we can reshape the data by categorizing them into different numbers. Means we have to give numbers to the data. Here df of gender dot map male m is equal to 0 and f is equal to 1 and type of data is float. After executing this code, it executes and display 0.0, 1.0, 0.0 for gender. Reshape the data. Again, filtering data. There is a requirement for the details regarding name, gender, marks. We have to only require name, gender and marks. Then how to filter that data? See, marks is greater than or equal to 75. Then we have to drop the age column. See the result of this. Marks, data frame of marks is greater than or equal to 75. Remove age row, df dot drop age, axis is equal to 1, display data. execute that. Name, gender, marks. It will drop age column. This is now data for as per our requirement. You can drop any column. Merge operation is there in data wrangling. Merge raw data and into the desired format. pd.merge data frame 1 data frame 2 on is equal to field. Name of the column given here for merging. It is a column, it is a common column into two data frames. Therefore, see, first creating data frame for student details, id, name, branch. It will create a data frame. Then another data set, data frame. Execute that. Field status, and one of the column is common in between id for two data sets. id is common, therefore we have to merge using that column. See, merge operation, how to use merge operation. First we have to take two data sets, data frames, and then pd.merge first data set, another data set, data frame, and on is equal to id. After executing this code, it gives first id is column for both data sets, then name, branch, pending. Pending is the another data frame, and name, branch from first data set, data frame. All the columns are merged here. Now wrangling data using grouping method. Suppose, see this code, car selling data, brand, year, sold, creating data frame, then displaying that data frame. It will display brand, year, and sold of that brand in this year, and then another data of the year 2010. Brand, year, sold. Here we want 2000 data, 2010 data only. How to group that? Creating data frame, car selling data, then group the data when year is equal to 2010. Grouped is equal to df dot group by year. Year means year column. Print group dot get group 2010 only. It will display only 2010 here. Group by year. Suppose group by 2011. Copy. You can paste here. Suppose I want data 11. Then how to do that? It will display 2011 data. By group by, you can group the data. Wrangling data by removing duplication. Duplication, how to remove that? Using first, keep is equal to first, duplicated, subset is equal to none. keep is equal to first. These are the parameters. Remove duplicate value. Keep first, then the first value is marked as original, rest all values are removed. Keep last, last is the original, then all values are removed. And keep false, then all the values which occur more than once will be removed, as all considered as a duplicate value. First means first value is original, last value is original, and false, all the values which occur more than once will be removed. Then this is the example. See, name, roll number, email, creating data frame and printing data frame. It will display data frame. Then data wrangled by removing duplicate entries. How to remove that? Creating data frame, student data, df duplicated roll number. Suppose roll number have duplicate entries, 54, 54, Praveen, these are the duplicate entries. Therefore, how to remove that? Rahul also duplicate entries. How to remove that? Using df duplicated roll number. Printing non-duplicate values. Print non-duplicate. Non-duplicate is equal to, you have to take df dot duplicated roll number and only non-duplicate values we have to print. See, Amit, Praveen, only unique values it will print. Like that, you can do data wrangling or munging on large data sets. This is the example for a small data frame. Like that, you can do all these operations on large data sets. See this, how to rename that? Lab. Suppose I want to give a name, lab wrangling. Lab wrangling. I want to keep a copy to GitHub. Then it will store this copy into GitHub. You can see all these data sets and available output here. It will store into GitHub. It is permanently stored on GitHub. Thank you.